Ron fam, I paid $10 for what's in this purple little bad looking thing of the thing right here. Ron fam, what tarnation is this goddamn thing right here?
This is what we're doing. I don't know what this is.
No, really, Ron fam, I really don't know what this thing does right here, but let's try to figure it out together over here. My brain is hurting right here. I'm not entirely sure if I was using that correctly, Ron fam, but it did feel good, nice and well in the hands right there. But the question is, Ron fam, would you pay $10 for this goddamn thing of the thing right here?